Hello, Festive friends. Today, we are diving into the holiday spirit with a delightful adventure, baking Christmas tree butter cookies. Picture buttery cookies shaped like Christmas trees, adorned with vibrant icing and festive sprinkles. I'm your Quirky Quest, and I'm thrilled to guide you through this deliciously festive journey. But before we roll up our sleeves, let's gather the ingredients for our festive cookies. 160 gigameters softened butter, salted or unsalted. 120 g powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. 50 milliliter milk. 200 g refined flour. 6 g cocoa powder, unsweetened. 10 grams matcha powder, optional. 5-6 drop green food coloring, add accordingly. Icing sugar for dusting. Handful of silver edible pearls to decorate. Take the butter in a bowl and whip it up using a cake mixer for 30 seconds. Next add in the powdered sugar and vanilla and whisk till pale and stiff peaks. Now sift in the refined flour and using a spatula cut and fold till combined. Take 75 grams of this batter and mix it with the cocoa powder and keep aside. With the rest of the batter, mix in the matcha powder and green food color and keep aside. Transfer the batter into individual piping bags with a star nozzle. Preheat the oven to 150 C for 15 minutes. Now take a lined baking tray and pipe out the trunk of the tree with the chocolate batter and then using the matcha batter pipe out the tree. Sprinkle the silver balls before transferring to the oven. Make sure to start piping the tree at least 2 inches above the trunk and swirl it from left to right and keep going wider as you keep going lower. The last line should overlap the top of the trunk. Bake these at 150 C for 20 minutes and check it after 10 minutes and it's coloring too much at the top. Just cover the top with a sheet of silver foil. And continue to bake for another 10 minutes. Once the timer goes off, remove it from the oven and let them cook down completely. To garnish the cookies, hold them straight and sprinkle some icing sugar over it. And there you have it, deliciously festive Christmas tree butter cookies, ready to be shared and enjoyed. If you're ready to add a sprinkle of joy to your holiday celebrations, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more festive recipes. Enjoy this deliciously festive journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy baking!